Yeah, Shavasana has to be practiced with awareness. Say yourself that I will be awake throughout the practice. Keep your whole body loose and loose. Stop all the thoughts coming into your mind. Just follow my instruction. Initially, externalize your mind by observing the sound happening in your surroundings, whether it's vehicle sound, chirping of birds, or any other sound. Keep on switching your awareness from one sound to the other. Now slowly and gently shift your awareness towards your breath. Observe the normal breathing happening in your body. Observe the air which is entering through your nostrils and going out through your nostrils. Now slowly and gently shift your awareness towards your toes. Relax your toes. Relax your feet. Relax your ankle. Relax your calf muscle. Relax your shin bone. Relax your knees. Relax your side of the knee, back of the knee. Relax your thighs. Relax your side of the thigh, back of the thigh. Relax your groin. Relax your buttocks. The whole lower part of the body should be relaxed. Now slowly and gently shift your awareness towards the backbone. Relax all the vertebrae attached to the backbone and relax all the back muscles. Relax your low back. Relax your middle back. Relax your upper back. The whole back should be relaxed. There should not be any pain or tension in your back area. Completely relax the back area. Now slowly and gently shift your awareness towards the abdomen. During each inhalation, the abdomen is rising up, and during each exhalation, the abdomen is falling down. Just observe the natural abdominal movement. Relax your ribs. Relax your chest and the chest muscles also. Now slowly and gently shift your awareness towards your arms. Relax your fingers. Your fingers are neither folded nor curled inwards. Relax your front of the palm, back of the palm. Relax your wrist. Relax your forearm. Relax your elbow. Relax your biceps and triceps muscle. Relax your right and left shoulder completely. This is the area where actually the tension gets stored. Completely relax the right and left shoulder. There should not be any pain or tension on your shoulders. Relax your neck. There should not be any tension on your neck. Completely relax the neck area. Relax your throat. Now slowly move your awareness towards the facial muscles. Keep a gentle smile on your face. Automatically, most of your facial muscles get relaxed. If there is a saliva in the mouth, just swallow it. Relax your eyelids. Relax your forehead. Relax your crown of the head. The complete upper and lower part of the body should be relaxed. If you find any stiffness in your body part without your knowledge, just relax that body part. Inhale all the positive energy. Exhale all the negative energy. Inhale all the positive energy. Exhale all the negative energy. Take blessings from the God. Take blessings from your father, mother. Take blessings from your gurus. Now your body is in the process of healing stage. Say yourself that I am healthy, I am happy, I am joyful, I am peaceful, I am strong, I am filled with positive thoughts. Slowly bend the left knee, turn towards your right side completely. Keep both the legs in cuddling position. Yeah, by power supporting,